Hi guys, welcome to the live for today. I'm doing a session, a small motivational chat today. I guess a lot of you like what I do on my motivational chat. So today I'm going to talk about a very important aspect of your self development, of your growth as an individual, and also of your movement from being a boy to a man or a girl to a woman. The actual movement which physically of course happens, but many times you realize that it does not happen. It does not happen for a lot of people. Also inform you that we have started putting a synopsis, a shorter version of the video every day. Typically we'll try to put it the next day for you, so that those of you watching the video can follow the synopsis in less time the next day when it is released. If you have not watched it live, please do spread the word around. That I am available every night at 11 p.m. for all of you, for your career related doubts, for your career decisions, and also for your aptitude exam preparation, whatever you want to ask me on whatever areas. Building a self belief becomes one of the most critical aspects of your growth journey. So today, I wanted to give you some practical tips on how to do it, and what is the process. Is there a process, or is it just accidental that some people are build supreme self belief and others don't, and the majority don't, and there's a 0.1% people, 0.1%, 0.2%, 0.5%, a fraction of the people are able to build self belief to the point where they believe in themselves against any odds, and they are the champions, they are the winners, while those who are not able to do it fall by the wayside, because on at performance time their performance is not up to the ability that they have built. So the smallest and the smartest hack for this, you can call it a hack, but it's not a hack in the sense that I think it's one of the most critical pieces of awareness that you should have about the process of building self belief. And the process of building self belief, nobody can tell you that you're good enough, and you can't take it. I mean, if you tell me, or X tells Y that you are good enough, you're not going to believe it unless you create the evidence. So to generate the self belief, you will have to create evidence of your ability to be victorious under pressure. The simple solution for this seemingly uh, unsolvable equation is that you don't look for or you don't build your self belief by looking for or by trying to create one big victory, because if you try to do that, it's never going to happen. Let's take a small example. Suppose you want to build your self belief on your ability to speak in public. You want to build your self belief on your ability to speak in public. So what do you do? Now, your ability to speak in public will be the big victory in that context, is your ability to speak in front of 1,000 people in an auditorium where everybody's come to listen to you. But if you try to go there without the self belief that I can do this, what will happen is when you go to the auditorium and stand in front of those people, your legs will shake, and your knees will weaken, and you'll fall. I mean, literally fall to the ground and not be able to speak. So लेना का दोन देना पड़ जाएगा. तुम उस चीज़ को ट्राई किया और तुम फेल कर गए. जब फेल कर गए तो बिलीफ पे और ज़्यादा आघात हो जाता है. बिलीफ पे you get a big hit on your belief. So the answer to the question is, I mean, you want to become a public speaker, you want to crack the cat, you want to do whatever you want to do, right? You want to win the World Cup as a cricket batsman. You build your ability, or you build your belief with small victories. So you look for small victories in your life. You look for 1,000 small victories, and as you start going consistently with your thousands of small victories in your day-to-day life. So in the context of speaking in public, let's say you start generally becoming more open and speaking. So you get an opportunity to speak in front of four people, take it, grab it with both hands. You'll fail a couple of times, third time tumse ho jayega. Or small victories essentially happen with small manageable challenges. So you want to run the marathon, go out and do a 500-meter run, and show yourself that you can do 500 meters. On the first day, the 500 meters will feel very long and very tedious, but by the fifth, seventh, 10th day of doing 500 meters, you'll start feeling that this is easy, and the next challenge is two kilometers. So you'll have to stretch yourself to get to 2 kilometers, and when you do that, you'll start finding it easy to do 2 kilometers, and gradually that's how you build up long distance running. So that's how it is. So your ability to believe in yourself is try to bring some discipline into your life. The more discipline you bring into your life, the more you'll start becoming self-assured. The more you'll start becoming self-assured, because being disciplined helps you in all facets of life. Don't try to just be disciplined as a student, or don't try to just be disciplined in your work sphere. Bring discipline into your life 24/7. The time you go to sleep, the time you get up, what kind of exercise you do every day. Try to bring discipline into that, and the more discipline you do, the more discipline you bring into your life, the more you will start becoming self assured as an individual, and that would take care of your nervousness. So, do try this and let me know how it helped you.